um I have uploaded the file. That's it. I've uploaded. Submit. Good. I have submitted this thing, so let me go there. Okay. Works, and you're gonna believe it. Don't lie. Don't lie. There's the account. There's the account. Yeah, there's the account. Hope you're enjoying the song as well. They are getting their mind crash over there. People are getting their mind crash over there. They don't understand. What card is that? They don't really understand the card I'm sending to them. When they're going to open it, trust me, no matter what. My network is very slow. Yeah. It rained yesterday here. We are not that rich, so sometimes networks fail in terms of internet connection. To me, yeah, maybe you too, you might have your problem. Oh God. Fuck, right? Fuck. What the fuck? We need to get that thing rigged, man. Fuck you. Fuck you. What did they do? Haha. You don't believe? Told you. Guys, trust me. You're not here to joke. You're not here to joke. Do you understand? It's just a file. You send that. They're gonna open. They're gonna open. They're gonna open. Trust me. Oh, they did that then, but I was stuck there. I was waiting to look at my limitation, but they seem to be afraid of me. Yeah, they seem to be afraid of me. Oh, thanks, subscribe, then love it. We did. No matter what, in this video I will show you how to link your card. Simple way.